Hey traders, welcome to uGenesys, your number one source for Forex and crypto information. Today, I want to show you an amazing promotion that's on Hot Forex Markets. Hot Forex Markets now has a top-up bonus available, where you can get bonus funds in your trading account to maximize your potential profits. Now, let me walk you through getting started on their website. So first, you'd want to go over here to where it says Promotions, New, and click on Available Bonuses, and it will take you to this page where you see the bonus status. So let me tell you how this promotion works. So after opening up your first top-up bonus account and making your first transfer, you will receive a 100% top-up bonus. So for example, if you make a $100 deposit, then you'll get a $100 top-up bonus. Deposit $200, you get a $200 top-up bonus. And this goes all the way up to $1,000. So if you deposit $1,000, you will get a $1,000 top-up bonus. And this promotion is for a limited time only. It will only last until the end of this month. So you definitely want to get your hands on this as soon as possible. And then for subsequent deposits to your bonus account, you'll receive a 20% top-up bonus. The top-up bonus itself cannot be withdrawn, but it can be used for your trading to maximize potential profits. And the bonus can be lost while trading, but profits can be withdrawn with no restrictions. So let me walk you through. You'll click here, Open Trading Account. Then when it takes you to this page, you'll go over here to Bonus Accounts. And then where you see Top-Up Bonus, you hit Select. Then you'll get the option to choose your platform, your currency. Afterwards, you'll check this box and hit Open Account. And then upon opening your account, you have the option to make the deposit and receive the bonus. So guys, you definitely want to open a bonus account with Hot Forex Markets as soon as possible, as the promotion only lasts until the end of this month. And so to sign up for Hot Forex Markets and to get this bonus account, you can click on the link in the description below. Thanks again for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.